Hi. Now, Emmanuel Macron's MEP, member of European Parliament, he has actually threatened X and Elon Musk that if they don't comply with the union's rules and policies, then they may end up being banned in the union's territory. We have also seen such threats when Elon Musk was about to take interview on X platform of former President Donald Trump, and who knows that the delay or so-called glitches were due to this reason, that they might be discussing with their legal experts or even with Trump that what to do and what not to do. So there is a possibility, but another question now begs that where is the sovereignty of United States of America? Supposedly, during the interview or before the interview of Donald Trump or any of the politician of United States during the election campaign time, if a similar threat would have been given by Russia or any other country, then what would have they said? They would have said that it's Russia who is actually interfering in the American election process. And now when European Union is doing, they are calm and quiet. After so many days, they have done nothing. Actually, I don't know that they have done anything. If you know, do comment. And now the so-called liberal MEP of Emmanuel Macron's party has also threatened Elon Musk and X. This shows that what's going on in United States and where is the sovereignty of United States of America. They can't check European Union interfering in American elections. They can't stop a small conflict in Middle East. I'll say it is small conflict because look at the area. It's a limited area, very small area, but it has got the potential to ignite a big war. So America cannot stop a small conflict. America cannot stop the European Union from interfering in their election procedure or threatening their companies. So what's going on in America?